Okay. So,
Holy cannoli, look at all the crap.
Yeah.
I mean, treasures.
No. Treasures here. Crap. There.
Oh.
Got old chicken. You know how you buy the big thing of chicken eggs. Got these cartons, and these make awesome for seed starting. Start your seeds in there, and then you can just bust these off and put them right in the ground. So that's why I kept those.
You know what's in the cooler?
Beer and pizza.
I wish. Whoa!
Oh, little pots.
I found your pot.
Yay! These will be awesome come spring.
I also found more seeds. And more seeds.
Oh, look at here.
And green pepper seeds. And cucumbers. And heirloom tomatoes.
Oh.
Beans.
Some of the stuff I already ordered is what you're saying?
Yeah.
You know what that means?
That means you got a problem you need to address.
No, it means I need better seed storage.
Yeah.
Which means I need a seed storage organization system.
No. Jalapenos.
Well, then you can't complain that.
I got it. It's right here. Then you need to get a marker. I'll go get you a Sharpie. We don't even have to go to town. You can write seed storage system on it.
But it's not really a system.
It is a system.
See, it's not a very good seed storage system. Otherwise, I wouldn't have bought some of the stuff that I bought. Yeah.
Heirloom tomatoes.
Yeah, like, look. A lot of this.
Oh, look, more carrots.
Boo would be happy about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we kind of,
Yeah. We didn't do anything. We
did.
Well, they,
I have,
oh, look at those. Those
I
are
have
rough.
an accomplice.
Cilantro. Oh, look, more tomatoes.
I like tomatoes.
More cilantro.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna have a really, really big garden this year. How's that?
I hope you're really, really hungry. Green peppers.
Yeah, I bet.
Cucumbers.
You can't ever have too many seeds. Ever. Somebody watching is gonna have my back and say, you can't ever have too many seeds.
If you need some seeds, email us. We will send them to you.
Give me a seed storage system.
Got it.
This clearly doesn't work. Otherwise, I wouldn't have ordered more. So I need an actual system. This is not working. This system doesn't work. It's a broken system.
Hold that thought just for a second. Now you know where it is at all times. And this system will never fail because you'll have it with you at all times. There you go.
I need a new system. This system's broken. It's a broken system.